galing tong Manila.
Ito lang ang galing Manila.
Lazy
This is my
boy.
breastfeeding chair.
Oo.
Yan.
Right, okay.
So we bought my desks and some of the shelves.
Those are ours from Manila pa. But
Pero
the
minimal lang. Parang our philosophy was less is more.
Yeah. You were Miss Universe first runner-up 1999. You saw the world. You saw the glam, everything. What did living here teach you? How did it change you?
that the simple life is the best life kasi less stress. In Manila, there's always pressure to, to look good, to present yourself in a way na people will admire you. Pero dito walang pressure na ganun kasi people take you as you are. Walang ganong
Saka
pressure.
dito ka, naka-e-trike ka, naka-tricycle ka, okay lang. People, like millionaires, they own resorts, they ride tricycles, we
Yeah.
just ride bikes, they're naka-chinelas, at
Aangkas ka
naka-t-shirt.
sa habal, okay.
Okay lang.
Oo.
Tanggap dito yun.
Yeah, so kumbaga it's really freeing, no? Nawawala yung pressure mo to perform.
Yes.
To keep up
Impress.
with, to impress.
To impress people.
So, and then you can focus on the more important things in life, family, relationships.